Hey guys, so today is day 2 of my second part of the ride, back to back here on Symphony of the Sea. So today I am going to try to do my slop roll. So I had it set up, but then I don't know what happened with that groove, and so I'm trying to set up another one. But you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and try to recruit some people. Because I want to have some will of fortune. But here. Alright guys, so it's 8:10 and I am headed to the Windjammer. You know, I'm gonna go get me some bacon. Hey guys, it's Sunday. Hey lady, how are you?
Good to see you.
Cool. I recorded this the last one. This is so cool. She watching. Hi. I'm good. Alright guys, I am here at the Windjammer on day 2. It is a sea day, so I'm gonna show you the sea. Look at this beautifulness right here. Look at that. Just water, beautifulness. Beautiful sky. I am excited. Oh, it looks like some sun a little bit further down. So let me take y'all further down. Y'all see that glistening of that water? It is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Check out the views for a little bit. Hey guys, so I'm up here at Windjammer for breakfast. And I'm gonna let you see what I got. Let's check it out. Alright, so I got some super crispy bacon. So the manager lady, or she works in the main dining room, she says, but she comes here in the morning and helps at the Windjammer. So she went and got me some crispy bacon, and she said whenever I come and I need it, just come get her. Thank you, Miss Josephine. And then I got some fresh waffles. You know, I'm loving these Belgian waffles. I'll get those at home. So I can't wait to eat it. I already know I like it. So that's what I'm having for breakfast. Alright. Guys, one more thing. I was able to get that donut with the chocolate stripes on it. So is that considered a maple donut? I think so. I sure did pick a very sunny area. Y'all see it? So y'all already know. Covering up. I love my shirts. I just can't get over this. Waffles, they're so good. And of course, I got here my crispy bacon. Y'all hear that? Let's go ahead and try this donut. Boy, it feels like soft. This feels so soft and like it's gonna be very fluffy. Symphony has got the donuts right. Good job, Symphony. Alright guys, so breakfast was really good. I couldn't even finish it all. Or even close. I didn't even finish all the waffles. Really good. Check out the casino. Alright guys, I am outside. I'm on deck 16. Yes, deck 16. I just wanted to let y'all see the beautifulness of this. Look at this beautifulness. Hello God. Look at that. Is that not a beautiful sight? Wow. Beautiful sight, beautiful sight. Let's go. Give me some money. Come on, line up, baby. Line it up, baby. Line it up. Come on, Indian. Do it. Oh, man. Line it up, baby. Oh, you are not lining up. Anything. Oh, come on now. I want to see that make noise. Let it make some noise. Yeah, it made some little noise. Come on, baby. We needed one more king. Come on, baby. Line it up. Line it up. No, you almost re-triggered me. There we go. That's something. I'll take it. Oh, that was the last one. Line up, leprechauni. Line up, leprechauni. Oh, come on, leprechauni. Let's go. Let's go, Lucky. Hey, first spin. Get yourself up in there. Jump in. Jump in. Jump in. Jump in. Over here, over here, over here. Jump in, one more. Over here. Line it up, baby, line it up. Hey, hey. Almost. Come on, dude. Come on, get in there and jump in there. Come on, guy, jump in there. What? Jump in. Oh my goodness, that's all he did, you. $16. Yes! Let's go, Buffalo-y. Let's go, Buffalo-y. Yes! 3, 9. Needed one right here, though. That was nice. Come on, retrigger, retrigger. Retrigger. Yes! I needed an ace right there. Retrigger, retrigger. Let's go. Sunset, sunset, sunset. Retrigger. Sunset, sunset, sunset. Retrigger. Look at all those heads pretending to show. Come on, Hetty. Ah, yeah, there we go. Hetty, Hetty. There we go. Needed one right here. That was beautiful. Come on now, retrigger. Let's go. Retrigger. Do it. Oh, I needed one here. I needed a queen here or something. Come on, baby, retrigger. Do it. 3. Yeah. Come on, baby, let's retrigger. Retrigger, retrigger, retrigger. Retrigger. Last spin. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. I'm on my way upstairs to go grab my clipboard and my sweater so we can have some Wheel of Fortune spins. I can't wait. Hopefully I can recruit enough people so we can have some spins. So I got my stuff so I can do my slot pull. So I'm gonna go back to the casino. Hi. You're not as trippy. Okay. Hi. Do you guys play slot pulls? You play slot pulls?
No.
No? Okay.
Now, what was the game you was talking about?
Oh, yes. So, in the casino, I'm playing Wheel of Fortune.
Okay.
We do four spins at $5, and then there's a $5 side pot. The top 3 people that has the most amount of money from their spins, I do first, second, and third for that one.
Okay.
Yes, it's at 11:30, so hopefully you'll come. And also just know you'll be on YouTube because that's what I do. So thank you for your patience. I so appreciate it. My name is Miranda, aka I Love Cruising Royal, and I am here with my YouTube family I met yesterday, Moonlight Adventures and Beach Please. And so we're going to do Wheel of Fortune spins. So we get it's $20. We do 4 spins at $5, and we have a $5 side pot. The $5 side pot is the top 3 that gets the most amount of spin money on the first 4 spins. The first 4, nothing after that. All right. So we will, once we're done with our first 4 spins, we'll see how much it is, divide it, see if we want to cash out or you want to keep on playing. It's up to you. Majority rules with that one. So we're gonna see how many Wheel of Fortune spins we can get. Let's get some spins! Woo! Everybody, get everybody. Hey guys, so I'm here at the Ultimate Abyss with Moonlight Adventures and Beach Please. And we're gonna go down the Ultimate Abyss using our GoPro and my alternative. All right. Is this, you think, a good position like that? Yeah. That means that extra, you know? Woo! That's Mike from Beach Please. Hey guys, I'm here on the FlowRider at the Symphony of the Stage. I'm gonna try it again. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my royal experiences.